Unlock the secret to glowing skin. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that's all about radiance and health, glowing skin. Stick around to discover what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. When we say someone has glowing skin, we're talking about skin that appears bright, radiant, and healthy. It's the kind of skin that looks naturally moisturized and full of life, often associated with good health and vitality. The term glow is often used to describe light and warmth, like the glow of a candle. So, glowing skin metaphorically refers to skin that is so healthy it seems to emit its own soft, warm light. You can compliment someone by saying, "You have glowing skin," or ask for beauty advice with, "What's your secret to getting such glowing skin?" This phrase is popular in beauty and wellness circles, signifying not just physical health but also a sense of inner well-being and confidence that shines outwardly. I hope this video has illuminated the meaning of glowing skin for you. Remember, it's not just about appearance. It's a reflection of overall well-being. Until next time, keep learning and stay radiant.